Hi guys, how are you all?
Good. Good.
1 second, guys. How was the homework of last week?
Could you check question 28?
Sorry, what was that?
Question 28?
Can I share my screen?
Yeah.
Sure. Yeah, questions like this, it makes me happy. Question 20. Question 28, Aman. We had done line slopes, huh? Okay, let's see. 1 second, guys. Many are coming in. Hold on. One second. Still some are coming. Okay, can we move on? Okay. I wanted to share my screen, right? Here is the screen. Go ahead. What question number, Ma? Go ahead and ask for the question number.
28.
Okay. I just want to put it on speakers. Let me see. Ah. 1 second, wait, guys.
Oh, wait, I think this is the wrong one.
This is the wrong assignment?
No, the wrong question I had.
Sorry. What is the question number then? Tell me the correct number. Avyuk, you had 2 questions, right, Avyuk?
23.
23? I'll go over it. Wait. Okay, what is your question?
Like, how do you complete the last column?
How do you complete the last column? Okay.
Because we don't know what the column is.
Yeah. But then what they've asked, let's see. Avyukt, you had a couple of questions, right, Avyukt?
Yeah, okay.
To represent the constant of proportionality, right?
Right.
So times what? This times,
252.
yeah. So
Oh,
now, yeah, to represent the constant of proportionality, right? So 0 times 252, 2 times 252, 5 times 252. You got it?
got it.
That is the constant of proportionality. K times x will be equal to y, right? Y equal to kx. Clear?
Clear.
Mm. Other questions, tell me.
I had a question on 22.
22. What is your question, ma'am?
I didn't really understand what it meant by like characteristics.
Oh, characteristics are, okay, what are the characteristics of a graph? Slope, slope, x-intercept, y-intercept, all these are characteristics. Are you getting it?
So I would just like write what characteristics are like similar between the two.
Exactly.
Okay.
That are same. What is same? You tell me. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 2. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 2. So basically, I think slope is the same. Our different is y-intercept is different, right?
Yeah.
X-intercept is different. These characteristics are different. Slope is the same. Make sense?
Yeah, I get it now.
Okay. What other questions? Guys, what other questions?
28.
Avyukt.
Miss Priya,
Yeah.
for the different characteristics one, couldn't you also just put for B? You could just put wait. Show me the question again. Graph A is a multiplicative relationship, and graph B is an additive.
Very nice. Good job. Avyukt, tell me.
It's 31 and 32.
Okay, we'll do. Anish, what was your question? Anish?
28.
Okay. So, missing values, right, Anish?
Oh, can I explain this one?
Sure, why not? Go ahead.
What?
So to find out the amount of dollars for 5 months, you have to first divide 1,800 by 2, and you'll get 900. So then you can simply just multiply 5 times 900.
Okay. Just can you go over it again? Let me write down whatever you're saying. Go ahead, Ishan.
Oh,
Ishan. Ishan,
yeah.
could you go over it once more?
Yeah. So to find out the amount of dollars for 5
Mhm.
months, you could
Mhm.
divide 2 by 1,800,
Mhm.
and then you'll get 900.
Okay.
So then multiply 900 by 5,
But
and
that, wait. That's not working here.
oh,
I don't see how. How? You see the problem, huh?
yeah. I don't
Mm.
know.
You know what? You can find out the slope, right, guys? How to find out the slope? There are
Y
2 points given. Yeah.
y like y divided by x multiply equals m.
Both of
Mhm.
y.
Yeah.
No, right? Meaning, see, only when it is a proportional relationship, you can say 1,800 by 2. This is not a proportional relationship. So the problem is it's going to go like this. In that case, first find out the slope. When you find out the slope, what happens? 550, 650, 750 divided by 5, which is 150. 150 is the slope, right? If
Yeah.
150 is the slope, but then if 150 is the slope, what does it mean? You're going to multiply this by 150 and add what? 1,500, right? You're going to multiply this one with 150. Let's try whether we are getting it. 7 3s are 35, 7 is 7, 8, 9, 10. 1050 plus 1,500. What is it? 2,550. See, it's working. So the
Well,
way,
what about 2?
yeah, 2 also will work. See, our line equation with, see, line equation can be y equal to kx. Okay. This is for multiplicative relationship. This is for additive relationship. Here it is not a multiplicative relationship. It is an additive relationship. So what do? You're given 2 points. So find out the slope. So slope is definitely 150. So So that you multiply and get this. 250, 150 times 2 is 300 plus 1500. Now again for the 7 times slope, 150 plus 1500. So, so this is 150x plus 1500. Did you all get it?
Yeah, but like, where did you get the 1,500 from?
What I did was I found the slope, right? This comes to only 300. What is left over? 1800 minus 300 is the intercept.
Okay.
Got it?
Yeah.
So you need to be able to write this equation nicely. Abhyukt, can I go to 32, 33?
31 and
Abhyukt?
32.
Yeah, 31 and 32. Avyukt is asking, consider the equation 4 by 7x. Determine the constant of proportionality. What is the, see, y equal to kx is multiplicative relationship. K is the constant of proportionality. What is your question on this, Avyukt?
I really couldn't understand what you're supposed to do on, like,
Oh, what is the constant of proportionality here?
yeah.
What is it? Compare this with this. What is the constant of proportionality? Ma, what is the constant of proportionality, ma'am?
4 by 7.
Yes, correct. Similarly, a value of x is decreased by a constant factor 21 by 4. A value of x is decreased by a constant factor 21 by 4 and is added to 7.2 to produce the output y. That is not making sense to me. Is decreased by a constant factor. 1 second, guys. If you multiply x with c, if it is decreased by a constant factor means that is x is multiplied by 21 by 4. Am I right or wrong? Am I right or wrong, guys?
Right.
So if it is decreased by some factor means that factor you multiply, right? This was question number what, Amma? 30? 32.
32.
32. Okay. So if it was decreased means, so basically you are multiplying by 21 by 4. Any questions still there? Any questions still there?
How do you decrease it? By multiplying by a number
Good
greater
question.
than 1.
Yeah, good question. Wait. A value of x is decreased by a constant factor and added to 7.2. I see. Okay. So when will it be decreased? Minus, see, okay. On a number line, you put x here. Okay. Minus 21 by 4x will fall where? It will be somewhere here, right? Why? Because see, the 1, 2, 3, the values go on increasing on the negative side, right? So this is a bigger value than 1, so it will be on the negative side, right? Meaning, so this value is actually less than this value, right, Prince? Avik, are you getting it?
Yeah, it makes sense.
Sorry, I thought it was positive.
Yeah, see, that's because it's decreased by a constant factor, they are saying. Okay, and added to 7.2. Represent this linear relationship between x and the output y. You got it? Make sense?
I think so.
Avyuk, did you get it?
Yeah, it makes sense.
Okay, but just tell me this one, guys. I have the number x, okay? I'm multiplying it by 7 by 4. Will the value of x increase or decrease, Sandy? Will the value of x increase or decrease?
Do we write in chat?
Yeah.
Could you repeat the question again?
I'm asking if x is a number and x is multiplied by 7 by 4. you see, the value of this will increase or decrease.
Okay.
Guys, I'm waiting for the answers.
I said
Anish, how does it decrease? Sanvi correct, Danvi correct, Avyukt correct, Prince correct. Dhruv, very nice. Riyanka correct,
I
Anirudh
didn't
correct.
even send my
Anish, no. Dhruv, not for that. I said it's nice to know for the message that you had written on the few questions, but all of them got answered.
Oh, okay.
Oh, Avyukt, I hope you feel better, Avyukt. I'm sorry. It'll be greater. Yeah. So when you multiply, Anish, can you explain why you said it will decrease?
Because that it says that it'll decrease. That means that the number is negative. So negative and is added to pronounce to.
Where the number is negative?
It says that a value of x is decreased. Decrease is means that it's becoming negative. So then
No. The question is different. Are you listening there? I asked you.
yeah.
No, you are not. We are considering the number x. When I multiply x with 7 by 4, will its value increase or decrease was the question. You were not listening.
I was. My mom was.
That was the question, right? I did not talk anything about question number 32. We are done with 32. You got it, Anish?
Yeah.
So what is the answer for that one? Increase or decrease?
Increase.
Increase, right? Why? Because the fraction 7 by 4 is greater than 1. So the value will increase.
Okay.
Here, how can you decrease it? You do minus 7 by 4x. Okay. Can I move on, guys? Any other questions for me? That's all? Okay. Okay, so yesterday we learned about inequalities and equations. Oh my gosh, that was a big one, you know. Okay, let's go over that. Dhruv, what are they doing in school, Dhruv?
So basically, in school, they're teaching us. They're teaching us like. I actually don't remember.
Okay, Avyukt, what are they doing in school?
Percentages and on other vocabulary stuff like income tax, sales tax.
Once, oh, I see.
commission.
1 minute. Yes. Let me okay, so basically equations and inequalities I wanted to get started. So we will start with guys, 1 minute, guys, hold on, wait. So this will be dealt with in basically 7 point. We did lines, right? I don't want to go to 3D, but then let me go to no volume. Volume will come back to it later. Now I really want to cover two-step equations. Okay, let's try this one. This is a continuation of your 6th grade. Okay, I will help you if you do have problems. You got it? I'll definitely help you if you do have problems. Shall we try? Try, guys.
Wait, Miss Priya, are we figuring out x?
Yes. If you're given an, see guys, okay, one thing I want all of you to understand. Equation means you will have something like this. The equal to sign will be there in an equation. Okay. Inequality means, inequality is where you have x greater than 3, x less than 3, x greater than or equal to 3, or x is less than or equal to 3. These are all inequalities. If I ask you to solve an inequality, your answer should also be an inequality, meaning you have to send something like this. Okay. If you're asked to solve an equation, you can just send in the number to me. That is fine. You got it? So don't confuse both. Okay. Here we have an equation. You're solving the equation. Can you solve and send the answer to me?
Miss Priya, I don't remember you teaching. I know you taught me this last year, but I don't remember it.
I sent my answer.
Ishan, my only problem is I cannot go reteach whatever we did in sixth grade, okay? But I will go ahead and do once. Let's see how much you can cope on, okay? Because see, you'll be pulling down the class if I teach everything from sixth as well. You see, you'll have to remember, right, Amma? But we'll see.
Okay.
Anish, Avyuk, Triyanka, correct. But I'm glad you're coming up with it. I really like that. Riyanka, Avyuk, Prince, Dhruv, Anish, good job. Sanvi, I need your answer. Prisha, I'm waiting for your answer. Go ahead. Dhanvi, Prisha, Sanvi, your answers, I don't know. Let's see. Let's see. I don't know who got it right. Now add for, see, you're not going to touch anything other than the variable. The variable and its coefficient. This is called its coefficient. Whatever number follows it is called the coefficient. I have 12 equal to 3.2x minus 4 by 5. Here, this is a term. This is called as a term. Whatever is split by pluses and minuses are called terms. 12 will be equal to 3.2x minus 4 by 5. How do I solve this? Please don't touch this. Add 4 by 5 to both sides. So what happens? 12 plus 4 by 5. Take LCM, guys. When you take LCM, it becomes 64 by 5 will be equal to 3.2x. Now, I need to find out x, right? So divide by 3.2 on both the sides. 64 by 5 times 1 by 3.2 will be equal to x. So what is that? 64 by 16 equal to x. X will be equal to 4. Any questions? Sanvi, Prisha, where did we miss? Nice, Ishan.
When I did negative 4 over 5, I thought you were supposed to add 4, like, you know how when you subtract?
I know. Yeah. The same. Yeah. I remember in the last class as well. A couple of them had the same mistake.
Yeah.
Auntie, I turned 4/5 into a decimal before I solved it.
That's fine, ma. But Dhanvi, where did you make the mistake? 12 minus 0.8, right? So 12 plus 0.8. 12.8 equal to 3.2x, right? Priyanka.
I just did 12 minus 0.8. Which
No, you cannot. You cannot. If there is a minus here, then you need to add that 0.8 on both sides. You got it, Danvi?
Okay.
Ariyanka, did you get it now?
Yeah, you told me I got it right.
Okay. My problems were with Prisha. I'm sorry. Prisha, did you get it now?
Yeah, I get it.
Sanvi, how about you?
Yeah, I got
You
it.
got it?
Mhm.
Okay. Now, what is this, guys? Is it an equation or an inequality?
Inequality.
Inequality.
Miss Priya, why are all the axes circled?
To show that it's the variable, that's all. The 4/7 that accompanies x is called the coefficient. Yeah. Go ahead.
Miss Priya,
Mm-hmm.
could now I understand why you just use fractions. Could you show me how you divide with fractions?
Sure, ma. 4/7 divide by 1/2 is what? 4/7 change to multiplication and flip the number that follows, fraction that follows. So 8/7. Did you get it?
How do I type the symbol?
You can type greater than, less than, greater than, equal can be typed like this.
Oh, okay.
Did you get it?
Yeah.
Great. You know what? Go ahead. Guys, did you get it, guys? Each one is doing one answer. Oh my gosh. Guys, you cannot change less than to greater than to less than and all. See here. I subtract 2 on both sides. Danvi, where is your answer? 4 is greater than 4/7x. Now what do? I have to be fair. For every step that I carry out, I have to be fair. Now the 4/7 is multiplied with x, but I need to remove that. So times 7/4 times 7/4. What happens? 7/4 times 4 is 28/4, which is 7 again. So 7 is greater than x, meaning the narrow mouth of the crocodile should point to x. If you write x first, then it will be narrow mouth should point to it. X less than 7 is your answer.
I got it correct, right? Did I get
Yeah,
it?
whoever sent this as the answer got it right. Prisha, where did you make the mistake?
Aren't you supposed to also subtract 2 and then multiply 4/7?
Yeah, subtract and then multiply 7/4, right, ma?
Oh, okay, yeah. I think that's what I did wrong. I think
Okay, you get it why? Then
Yeah.
only they'll get cancelled, right?
Yeah, no, usually I do it, but this time I just forgot to do it.
No problem. See, we are doing it for the first time in 7th grade. So you will get it. But as long as you get it, I'm fine. Danvi, I didn't get your answer and you're not answering too if you got it.
Sorry. I'm just like my internet keeps breaking apart because my
That I
internet's
can't accept that as a reason. I'm so sorry. Okay.
okay. I'm trying to fix it because my
You
computer
can
keeps
send it in
switching.
chat. Answers can be sent in chat. If you have a problem with the internet, call your mom or dad and ask them to fix it. Not during class.
Okay, sorry.
Can I move on?
Yeah.
How about this? Slowly we want to write equations, right? Let's see this one. Go ahead. Can you try this one for me? Yeah, go ahead, guys. Oh, wow. Riyanka and Dhruv, you got it. Very nice. See that each month is, the month is always X minutes or each minute, you see? Meaning number of minutes is X, right? So that needs to be multiplied with the per minute charge always. Prince, that's right. Good job. This is not a hard unit, guys. Meaning. I'll help you. Ishan, equal to what, Ishan? Ishan, equal to what?
Oh, I forgot to write the equal to.
That's okay, that's okay.
Can I like instead of writing the whole thing again, can I just like write equal to
Sure.
whatever?
Anish, good job. Anirudh, that y can be substituted with a value, right?
Oh, yeah, I see it now.
Go ahead.
Is my equation right though?
Anirudh, you got it. Ishan, correct, Ishan, but you will have to substitute y value as well.
Can I write like a per month?
Yeah. Yeah, see, what is the total bill amount?
One.
Guys, some of you are telling 515 as the answer. 5.15. Please, guys, placement of decimals is so important. Do a sanity check. Prisha, where is the x in the equation? My x is gone. X has disappeared.
The total was 101 and 25
Correct.
cents.
But you need to equate it. Prisha, you need to have the x in the equation. Otherwise, what to solve?
I didn't click right.
No problem. But do you understand where x should come? Okay. Now, whoever has come up with the equation, right? Go ahead and solve. Send me both the equation and the answer for x. Avyuk, did you get the equation?
I got the equation plus then I was able to get the answer.
But Avyuk, can you send the equation to me? I feel your answer, one of yours is wrong. I don't know which one. What is the answer, guys? Can you all send me the answer? when you have to send both the equation and the answer, guys. Prisha, that's right, ma. Avyukti, your equation is right. Guys, my problem is I feel like something is wrong, Amma. I can check. Hold on. Mm. Somewhere something is wrong. So equations, coefficients, I told you what are they. But you know what, Maisie? Maisie's cell phone, did you get it? There is some problem. Let me see. I will solve it on the board. Some of you are getting 5.15. What is this? No. Hey, Riyanka, that is not the answer, right, Riyanka?
I don't know. I think I messed
24 plus 0.15x will be equal to 101.25. Your answer will be like this, x equal to what? Right?
Oh, I
Now
messed
subtract
up.
24 on both sides. What do you get if you subtract 24?
76.25.
77.25.
Oh,
0.15x will be equal to that. X will be equal to divide by 0.15, divide by 0.15. So 7725, you can remove, you can multiply by 100, multiply by 100. Anish, are you doing?
Yes,
But I didn't get answers from you, right?
I did because I'm still solving.
Oh, you're still solving. Okay. So, see, solving as well is easy. Just multiply by 100 in the numerator, multiply by 100 in the denominator.
Yeah, I accidentally forgot.
Simplify the fraction. When you simplify the fraction, it would be divide by 3. Now, 3 5s are 15, 3 1s are 3, 3 5s are 15. 15 minutes. It's not 5.5, guys. See, when you remove the decimal, right, you can multiply by 100 in both numerator and denominator. Riyanka, from where are you getting that answer?
I don't know. I messed up. I think I messed up when I subtracted because I got 76.25. So I think that's where I messed up.
Okay. But do you get how to do, ma?
Yeah, I do.
Miss Priya, I have a question.
Sure, ask.
If you can see the equation that I sent, that is how I did it. Is that also usable?
Is that also usable? Which equation? Yes, that equation is usable. 101, yes. But wait, 101.25 minus 24 will be equal to 0.15 W, right? Where is the 0.15 W?
No, what I did is that 101.25 minus 24 is W, or 77.25, which divided by 15 would be 515.
77 divide by, correct. That is
No,
correct.
yeah.
That is correct. Did you get the answer?
Yeah, I got 515.
Okay.
Okay, thank you.
Okay.
But now don't you have to move the decimal back?
What decimal back, Amma?
So remember you multiplied by 100?
Yeah. See,
Oh wait,
77.25 divided by 0.15 means if you multiply and divide by 100, it's like multiplying by 1, right?
oh yeah.
So the decimal moves out. You have to remove the decimal in the denominator. You cannot divide otherwise easily. Right?
Yeah.
Guys, Prince, are you with me, Prince?
Yes,
Prince?
yeah.
Prince, are you with me?
Yes, I understand now.
Okay. Now, Do you know what is, can you write an inequality for this? See, the dot is shaded. That means what? We did this in 6th grade. I'm just reviewing that with you.
That means it's greater than or equal to.
Yes. Go ahead. Guys, it's a little tricky. I want answers from everybody. Then only I'm going to start answering. Prince, is that right?
Sorry, I sent it backwards.
See, here guys, since the dot is shaded right, it will be x is greater than or equal to 4. The equal to sign should be there because x can be equal to 4 if it's shaded. Suppose if the same number line was like this. If it was like this means x can't be equal to 4. X is just greater than 4. Any questions, guys?
Yeah, but then how are we supposed to type like that?
You
How-
have to do the greater than sign and then the equal sign next to it.
Yeah,
Miss
exactly.
Priya,
Yeah, go ahead.
I have a question.
Go ahead,
So,
Anirudh.
if it's like the one on the right, where it's like you said x is greater than 4, could we also technically say x is greater than or equal to 5?
Good question, Anirudh. X is greater than 4 means, what does it mean? It can be 4.1, 4.15, 4.115, it can be 4.2, 4.6, 4.8, 4.9. If you say x greater than or equal to 5, it only covers value from 5. All these values are lost, right?
Okay.
Do you get it, Anirudh?
Yeah.
So both are not equal. Can we move on? Okay, how about this? How about this, guys? I want all of you to send me what is the inequality.
Miss Priya, can you please say the question again?
I'm asking you to write the inequality.
Okay.
Ishan, equal to sign should not come, Ishan. Then be equal to sign should not come.
Miss Priya, that was for like the previous question, I think.
Is there a problem with your bill?
Riyanka, x is greater than 4, Amma. Is it greater than 4 here, Riyanka?
Oh no, I clicked on the wrong key.
Okay, but you need to be careful, guys. Ishan, equal to sign should not come. Arush, equal to sign should not come.
I removed the equal to sign.
Danvi, equal to sign should not come.
Miss Priya, on my second answer, I
Miss
removed
Priya, that was
it.
not for this equation. I sent a new
Okay,
one.
for the last one. Okay. Sanvi, x is not greater. See, the crocodile narrow mouth. See, x is less than 4. Crocodile narrow mouth should come. because it can have any values less than, meaning 3.9, 3.8, 3.7, can have values like that. So x is less than 4, Sanvi. Did you get it?
Yeah.
Miss
Miss
Let's
Priya,
see
that
this
was
one.
for the previous one. I sent a new one
I got it.
without the equal sign.
Yeah, Miss
Okay, how about
Priya,
this?
I sent a new one without the equal sign. You were looking at the previous one.
Previous one, okay. I got it. How about this? I'm going to wait and watch who's going to send what. Wait, Ma. Let me draw a line so that I understand that it was about the previous question. Go ahead.
Miss Priya, you're on mute.
Prisha,
Wait,
that's what. So that's the I wanted you to recognize that and send answers accordingly. That's why I gave you suddenly
I
this one.
I
See?
can't see if it's going left or right.
Yeah, guys, it is not. It is not going left or right. It is only shaded. So what does that mean?
Wait, I sent my answer also.
Yes, you got it.
I
Dhruv
sent
got it.
my
Avyuk
answer
got it.
before you said that. I sent my
Riyanka got it. Anirudh got it. Anish got it. Prince
also
got
first
it.
one.
Ishan got it.
Yeah.
First one.
Yeah, you have to remember. Sometimes they'll give you inequality, sometimes they'll give you equation. So suddenly I wanted to give you equation and check it out. You got it? Risha, I want you to slowly catch up with the equation solving very nicely. Okay.
wait, so would it be x is equal to 4?
Correct.
Oh, okay.
Correct. Who else? Now I'm going to pick out people who are not answering. Do you want me to pick out?
Yes.
No. I want somebody who has not answered to tell.
So if I don't answer, you're going to pick on me?
What am I?
So if I don't answer, you're going to pick me?
If you if you don't answer, I'll pick you. Don't worry, not now. You're good, Anish. Okay, let's not go there. Can I go ahead? Okay, how about this? Gummy bear problem. Let's do this one. First of all, you have to tell me whether it is an equation or inequality. You're all going to tell me whether this is an equation or inequality. First, send that to me. First, send that to me and then we'll move on. Go ahead, guys. Go ahead. Mhm. Good job, guys. It is an equation. Very nice. Try to send the equation. Duru, very nice. Sanvi, Prince, Riyanka, Prisha, equation is right. Arush, Dhruv. Anirudh, can I get your equation? Solve the equation and send the value of x now.
I know.
Ishan, your equation should contain x. I want you to send the equation, not an expression, Ishan. What you have sent is an expression.
Miss Priya,
Uh-huh.
since their spending, is it going to be a negative?
Repeat, Mahavyuk. What was that?
Since he's spending, is it going to be a negative?
No. Are you getting a negative answer?
I'm still working on my equation.
I don't think it's negative answer, right?
No, I'm not saying it's a negative answer. I'm saying, is it, since he's spending, are there going to be negatives in the equation?
Let's write down the equation. Go ahead, Abhyut. Explain the equation to me. Explain the equation.
So since he's spending, it might be like
Correct. That I agree. I agree. But see, but he has a total allowance of 25. He's going to spend all of his allowance. What is his spending? Spending should all be added, right? What is his spending?
13.54 plus
0.89. Correct. Find out what is X, guys.
Wait, can it be a never-ending decimal, or does it have to be like a?
I don't think so, Ma. It is easy. It's not hard.
Oh, okay.
Miss Priya,
Go ahead.
So since it's a high, since there's a decimal, won't we have to cut it out because you can't buy like 1/8 of a pack or 1/9 of a pack? Well, we have to cut it out because if we buy the whole pack, it will go over our allowance.
Good question. First, did you solve? Did you get it in decimals?
Yeah.
What is that you got?
So I got
Arush, what did you get?
I got
First,
12.89. So when you're on, it's 12.9. So
I got
I
12.8.
put around 13. So it's either 13 bags or like 12.9.
I got
around it.
Miss Priya, I got 12.876.
Yeah, so it's
let's try. Let's try together.
It's 11.
4 minus 3 is 1. 11. Okay. I don't know whether I have answers to this. Let's see.
The answer is 12. The answer is 12. Because you can't have like 0.8 of a pack. So the answer is 12.
Good job. So,
that's what I said.
Basically, what is this?
876.
7 something, right? So how many packs you can buy? It has to be.
You can buy 12 packs and you
Well,
can't have
okay.
1/7 of a pack.
Yeah, because if you're going to ask for 13 packs, the grocer will not give you because you don't have enough money. Do you see, Dhruv?
Yeah.
Arush, did you understand? You cannot round up, you can round down. Do you get it, Arush?
Yeah, I understood.
Okay.
So
How
you
about
can
the,
only round down.
what is it?
You can only round down for like those type of equations.
Yes. Let's go ahead and try one more. I want inequality solving. Okay, I'm going to start giving you inequality solving. Okay, meaning, okay, one more thing, guys. How about this? Can you write an inequality on this? When they give you pictorial models, you should be able to do. Write an inequality for this one. Can you write an equation for this one? Dhanvi?
Which one do we do?
Huh?
Which one do we do?
The top one is just the key. The bottom one is the question.
Okay. I sent my answer.
Mm-hmm. No, I don't want you to solve. Just send me the equation, guys, please.
Oh. Miss Priya, did I get the equation right?
I just want the equation. You send it to me correctly. Shan, send it correctly. Tanvi corrector. So as long as you know, I'm good, guys. Who is this Priya? One second, guys. Somebody's coming in. I don't know who it is. Just 1 second, wait. Usually, I don't admit whoever I don't know. Mhm. Oh, who was that? Prisha, was that you who came in now?
Wait, what was the name? Was it Prisha? Cause I reloaded like a few minutes ago. At like 7:50ish, I reloaded. So if it's like lagging, maybe.
Okay, no worries, ma'am. No worries. Let's go ahead and do a couple of inequality problems. How about this? Okay. Guys, first tell me, read. It is very similar to the equation problem that you solved. First, see whether it's an equation or inequality. Go
This
ahead.
question?
Yeah. The question on the board is an equation or an inequality.
Wait, am I supposed to tell you if it's a inequality, or am I supposed to write like what?
No. I just want you to tell me whether it is an equation or an inequality. And then you're going to write the inequality for me. Can you
Okay.
write the inequality?
Doesn't that mean it's an inequality?
It is an inequality. Why it is an inequality?
Just the question says right in inequality.
Okay, go ahead. Good thought process, Prisha. Very good thought process. Prince, can I get the inequality from you?
I I don't know if you're just supposed to say whether it was an inequality or not.
Yeah, that's true. I'm asking you to write the inequality. When you write the inequality, the sign is important. Which direction is it facing? I'm going to write it for you. Okay. First one, I'm going to write it for you. 25 for his allowance. So his spending is, which one should be greater, guys? You tell me. Which one should be greater?
25.
25, yes. So whatever his spending, right, should be less than or equal to. It can also be equal to. You got it?
Yeah.
So you need to be very careful with this sign. When you write from word problems, solving these with the signs properly is so important. Now, if you're given a problem like this, do you know how to solve? Let me ask you. How about this? 1 second, guys. How about this? How about this? Do you know how to solve this? If you all know how to solve this, I'll move on. Do you know how to solve this? Do you know, guys?
Yeah, I know how to solve it. You guys solve it?
Yes. You can solve and let me know. Basically, what you need to do, if it is a solution, plug it in and see. Plug in x equal to 0.3. So what will you do? Minus 1.4 times
Times
0.3 minus 7 by 8. First, find out what it is. So 0.42 minus 7 by 8. What is 7 by 8?
it's it's oh, I know.
875. This is 0.42. Add them together.
Aren't you
What
supposed to
happened?
subtract them?
Are you supposed to subtract them? I don't think so, because
Oh no.
both are minus, right?
Yeah.
So is this right, guys? 8 8s are 64, 67, 7 8s are 56.
Yeah, that's right.
Okay. So now 0.875, 0.42, right? 420. So, what is that, guys? What did you get? Is the equation true or incorrect?
Incorrect.
Incorrect. So the solution x equal to 0.3 is incorrect. Meaning is not a solution. Does it make sense?
Yeah.
Okay, so that is how you solve. And one last inequality problem I would like to do. Can I give that to you?
Yeah.
Okay, last one inequality problem we'll do, and then we are done with that. Okay, let's see. Let's do this one. You know what? 1 second, guys. Here. Let's try one or two. We'll see where are we. Based on that, we'll proceed. Avyukt, are you following Avyukt nicely?
Yeah, I'm able to.
Okay, you're able to. Okay. How about this? How about this? Please be careful, guys. Writing the inequality is the hardest part. Go ahead. Careful, guys. Careful, guys. I just need answers. See whether you can just send me the answer. We'll stop there. After the maybe one more question we can do, or we'll stop here.
Miss Priya, is my answer correct?
Yes. Yes. So your home, yeah, if you get Riyanka, Arush, you can log off. Tanvi, Anish, Sanvi, Ishan, Prisha, all of you got it.
Miss Priya,
Dhruv,
can I stay till the end?
Dhruv,
I have a small question.
Dhruv and Anirudh, I want you to check.
Wait, can I log off or should I stay on?
Prisha, you can log off. It's correct.
Thank you.
Dhruv, correct. Anirudh, I want you to check.
Miss Priya, I sent an answer again.
Avyukt, can we please check the sign, Avyukt? You can't be very careless on the signs when it comes to inequality. Prince and Anirudh, you got it.
Bye, Miss Priya.
Bye, ma. Done? Avyukt, correct. Did you understand, Avyukt?
Yeah.
Yeah, okay. Danvi, where is your answer? And Anish, where is your answer?
Answer. I showed my answer. You said I could log off, but I'm waiting because I have a question.
Yes. Danvi and Anish, it's right, both of you. Good job. What questions do you have?
My question's about the Math Olympiad. So,
what is it, ma? Go ahead.
So, are we actually like supposed to submit the practice ones, like the 2019 to 2020?
No.
Oh,
no, not at all. It's left to you.
Cause me and my friend, Abhiyan, I don't know if he, I don't know. But we're both in the Olympiad.
You don't need to submit them.
I joined late in the class because I was trying to finish all of them. Cause like I finished them, but I put it somewhere, so I didn't know. I thought I had to submit it.
Oh, okay. You don't need to.
Oh, okay. I'll call him, and he's gonna be so disappointed. Okay.
Okay.
Thank you so much.
Bye.
Bye.